Hi guys, if you're right now on my live, I'm so sorry. I thought my audio was on and I was busy talking and asking you guys to drop your messages, your comments, where you're watching from. I didn't know that my audio was off. I'm super sorry guys. So in that video, like the live podcast I was on, I was just sharing like that um I learned something on Facebook. I watched a video and I wanted to try out the recipe. So it's just bacon, onions, and egg. So I've not actually started baking it. See, so I first of all I fried the bacon with this pan. If you see what I was showing you guys was the oil that was coming out from the bacon, right? So I fried the bacon first. I used 3 or 4 bacons, I think 4. So after frying, I cut it in bits like this. So this was just the way I saw it in the video. So after cutting it, you now whisk it with the egg. I whisk it with the egg and onions. Everything mixed together. So I'm going to bake it for 15 minutes. So I've not started baking before someone mentioned that they can't hear me, and that's why I had to end the live and thought to show you guys all I was explaining from the live video. So I'm going to bake it for 15 minutes and I'll show you guys once it's done so we can enjoy it together. I just want to incorporate it in my timetable, my breakfast timetable, so it will be one of the you know meals we'll be having for breakfast. So you can try it. I don't think it's bad. It's gonna look delicious. It looks delicious, and I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. So yeah, I'm glad you watched and followed me my live video. I'll try and you know do more research and know how I can help myself on that one. I don't know. For some reason, it didn't just. It's okay. It happens, right? I hope you understand. So now it's going into the oven for, remember, 15 minutes, okay? Yeah. I'm setting it 15 minutes. So it's baking for 15 minutes on cook time. So because I'm setting it for 15 minutes and start. Okay guys, let's go check our bacon egg. Okay. So I actually the timing for 15 minutes didn't properly cook the bacon and the egg was still raw, so I had to set it for another 15 minutes, but this time around I increased the oh yeah, I turned it off, so I increased the timer to like 20 minutes again, and I was just watching and to see if when it's cooked and so that it doesn't get burnt. So yeah, here it is. You see, I don't know if you can see it. So it's brownish, but this is the way you fry your egg. Like on a normal day, it doesn't have to get brown or something, but you see that it's cooked. So okay guys, so this is the after cooking and it's reveal time, so let's taste it. Oh my god. I'm coming. Let me taste it again. You know what I love about this meal? this food, this right here, the crunchiness, the way it melts in your mouth. My goodness. You can eat this with hash brown, bread, mashed potato. The taste is out of this world. Okay guys, I thought to bring this recipe to you. You can try it, incorporate it in your breakfast menu. It's very nutritional. And yeah, kids can eat it as well. See, as an adult I'm enjoying it. How much more? Try it out. So yummy. So I'll catch you in my next. Let me know if you try it out and how it came out for you. This is me just sharing an experience. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.